Okay, we're going to do another variation on this lick, and it's going to be a group of 7, which sounds a bit odd, but we're going to make it sort of fit into 7 notes per beat. And it's going to sound like this. The technique goes like this, and this is the sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you hammer from nowhere. 1, hammer again with the second finger. 2, then the tapping finger completes the 3 notes. Then pull off all the way down. Then hammer, and then again. So it's quite simple, you're just going up. Okay, but if you count them, it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leave that there, move to the next string, that will mute it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. Now I'll try and do it without counting, and it should sound a bit neater. Okay, so let's try that with the track.